Now let's learn how to take a long screenshot. Now I open my mobile settings. In here I can capture long screenshot. To capture a screenshot, press your mobile volume down key and power key on same time like this. After immediately press this down arrow icon on screenshot toolbar. Now you can see our screenshot is continually capturing. Let's see our captured screenshot. This is our long screenshot. Like this, you can capture long screenshot on your A07 mobile without using third-party applications.